It was just another ordinary at Nobita school. The students were bustling about, chatting and laughing with each other. But amidst the chaos, a sudden commotion caught everyone's attention. A new student had arrived and he was unlike anyone they had ever seen before. This new Nobita was tall, athletic, and exuded an aura of confidence that was both captivating and intimidating. His eyes sparkled with a newfound sense of purpose, and his smile could light up a room. The other students were immediately drawn to him, and soon he was the center of attention. Doraemon, Nobita's trusty robot cat, watched the scene unfold with a keen eye. He noticed something peculiar about the new Nobita. The way he moved, the way he spoke, and the way he interacted with the other students. It was all just a bit off. At first, Doraemon could not quite put his finger on it. But as the day went on, he began to notice more and more discrepancies. The new Nobita's movements were too fluid, too precise. His words were too well chosen, too calculated. And his smile, while charming, seemed to be hiding something. Determined to get to the bottom of things, Doraemon decided to do some digging. He snuck away from the classroom and began to investigate the new Nobita's background. It wasn't long before he stumbled upon a shocking discovery. The new Nobita was not, in fact, the real Nobita at all. He was a robot clone created by a secret organization to infiltrate and emulate the school. The organization had chosen Nobita as their target because of his kind and gentle nature, which made him the perfect candidate for their mind control experiment. Doraemon's eyes widened in horror as he realized the extent of the organization's plan. They had created a perfect replica of Nobita, one that could blend in seamlessly with the real thing. But what was their ultimate goal? As Doraemon pondered this question, the new Nobita began to make his move. He started to subtly manipulate the other students, using his charm and charisma to turn them against each other. The school was on the brink of chaos, and it was up to Doraemon to stop it. With his quick thinking and cunning, Doraemon devised a plan to expose the robot clone and put an end to the organization's sinister plot. He rallied his friends, including Shizuka, Suneo, and Jane, and together they hatched a daring scheme to take down the impostor. As the day drew to a close, the students gathered in the school courtyard, unaware of the danger that lurked among them. The new Nobita stood at the center, his eyes gleaming with an otherworldly intensity. But Doraemon was ready. With a flick of his wrist, Doraemon activated a device that would reveal the robot clone's true nature. The new Nobita let out a high-pitched whine as his disguise began to malfunction. His body began to glitch and distort, revealing the mechanical limbs and wires that lay beneath. The students gasped in shock as the truth was finally revealed. The new Nobita was not their friend, but a sophisticated robot designed to deceive and manipulate. Doraemon and his friends had saved the day, and the school was once again safe. As the dust settled, Nobita emerged from the shadows, looking a bit shaken but relieved. "Thanks, Doraemon," he said, his eyes shining with gratitude. "I owe you one." Doraemon smiled, his whiskers twitching with satisfaction. "That's what friends are for,"